What you doing, bud? This is a very, very tiny goose that we believe is a cackling goose rather than a Canada goose, which is actually a subspecies of Canada goose, but they're actually deciding that they're actually their own actual species, rather than just subspecies. So, but he's very tiny and very, very people friendly. Have a good idea that maybe he was hand raised by somebody and dumped, because they generally aren't quite this friendly. He's so short. It just cracks me up. I mean, I don't know if you can tell dimensions with my hand there, but I mean, I'd like to get him next to Jacques, our Canada goose, to kind of show the difference. All right? What do you think? Hey, what do you think?